The 2014 International Indian Film Academy Awards were held in the beautiful sunny city of Tampa Bay, Florida. And to kick things off was IFA Stomp, an energetic outdoor party in the park, turning this traditional 3-day festival into 4 days of Bollywood mayhem. And in true IFA tradition, IFA held a star-studded opening press conference that formally announced IFA's American debut, followed by a ribbon-cutting ceremony with legendary actor Anil Kapoor to launch IFA's inaugural IFA Expo, celebrating South Asian tradition and culture. What's IFA without a film premiere? Anupam Kher's directorial venture, I Went Shopping for Robert De Niro, had its world premiere at the 2014 IFA weekend at Tampa Bay's historic Tampa Theater, and Anoki Pulse TV was there for all the action. Welcome to Tampa Bay, Florida. IFA finally made its way to the United States, and you're here today to support Anupam Kher for his directorial venture. How does it feel?
I think it feels great. I've worked with him a lot, and I really respect and adore him as an actor.
What have you learned from Anupam Kher working with him?
Just the kind of energy he has, that every day he comes with a big smile, and he can switch into any character, and amazing talent.
Anupam Kher is one of the gifted actor, a great achiever, and a very dynamic actor who doesn't just restrict to doing things that normally actors, stars do. I mean, like he's far more daring than me. He writes a book, he does a play, he makes a short film, teaches people how to act.
Well, he's an extremely talented actor, and he was rather enthusiastic about making this short film, and I'm sure that it has won from the heart, so it must be good.
Basically, he's my senior from National School of Drama, and he's a great actor. What I have to say, I'm small in front of Kher Saab. Kher Saab is a great actor.
IFA is such a genius concept, and being in America we're paying a tribute to an American actor, so it's fun, and we have a great team of technicians who are here as well, some of them.
Yes.
So it's a great feeling.
And it's being followed by an acting workshop. Now, Anupam, you've been in the business for 30 plus years. What do you hope the university students learn from your experience on and behind the camera?
I think in today's time, all students can be great actors, because I think they don't have this fear that we used to have in our college days. They're open. They're exposed to a great amount of exposure in cinema, in social networking. So I'm going to look forward to the premiere of my film and also the workshop that we are doing.
And where there's IFA, there's always a green carpet. And the worlds of music and fashion came together for one night of unified celebration with IFA's annual IFA Rocks, celebrating the best in music and fashion, with performances by Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, Monali Thakur, and exquisite fashion by designers Manish Malhotra and Vikram Fadnis. Tell me a little bit about your collection showcasing tonight.
The collection tonight that I'm showcasing is all saris. It's a collection that I've done specially for Vishal Saris. I start with black and golds and move into colors of red, pink and orange. The whole theme is femininity, so it's called the Nazakat collection.
I feel IFA is a great platform to share your feelings, and the way Indian film industry has done a great work all over the world. IFA has given a new platform to everybody to come here, meet and greet.
There's been a lot of hosts before you who have hosted IFA Rocks. What's unique that you'll bring to this year's stage?
Well, I've only been performing at IFA all these years, so this is the first time I'm hosting, and I hope I can bring the energy to Tampa Bay and to IFA Rocks.
What do you think it is about Bollywood that makes it so unique?
Bollywood films are just a lot of fun. They deal with all the gamut of story and emotion and all that stuff, but they're uplifting and fun.
I'm excited that I'm going to be performing on my songs for the first time in IFA.
Are you nervous?
Kinda, because I'm dancing as well, but I'm very excited, more than being nervous.
How does it feel to be at IFA this year?
I'm very thankful to Almighty, and I feel myself at the top of the world. And for IFA in Florida, US, that's the thing.
Now we're celebrating music tonight. What are you looking forward to seeing on stage the most?
Well, actually, the bunch of them, because we would know all of them, the friends, including Rahat, and it'll be great fun to watch them.
Now, how important is it for you to come out to events like this and support your colleagues and walk on the ramp for some fashion designers?
I think as somebody who's new to the industry, it's a very important time for people like me to be here, and you feel so much a part of the industry and people encourage you. That's a really great feeling.
Now, you know, the IFAs travel to a different city each year. What do you think is going to make this year special from any other, aside from the fact that it's here for the first time?
And I think this is a fantastic a platform, a fantastic opportunity to bring our films to America, mainstream America, and give them a taste of what our culture is like.
Now, you've been a regular at the IFA Awards year after year. What makes this year so special?
Well, all the IFA shows are wonderful. This one is very nice that we are in Tampa, in the United States of America. The people of America are lovely. They're always affectionate towards us.
What are you looking forward to the most tonight?
I'm looking forward to the collections and just cheering for my friends and just having some good time.
We were just here a few months back and performed in Tampa with Ehsan and Loy. That was a memorable experience in itself. And here now, coming for IFA, IFA is always special. I think the first time it's happening in America, so it always rocks.
Stay tuned for more of Anoki's 3-part IFA 2014 special, right here on Anoki Pulse TV.
Do they down